get on the road, I will steer for you. And if you want to work the street alone, alright, I'll disappear for you. If you want a father for your child, or only wanna walk with me another mile across the burning sand, I'm your man. But the moon too bright, the chains too tight, the beast just won't go to sleep. I've been running through all of these promises to you that I made and I did not keep. How about a man who never got one back, and I begged him on his knees. I crawled to you, baby, and I fall at your feet, and I howl at your beauty like the dog in heat, and I'd club your heart, and I'd tear up your sheet. I'd say, please, I'm your man. If you want to love her, I'll do anything you ask me to. If you want to try another kind of love, I'll wear an old man's mask for you. If you want a partner, take my hand. Or if you want to strike me down in anger, here I stand. Right